My name is François Olivier. I am the project manager for Leilac 2 project, managing the engineering, procurement and construction phases. Basically, my role is to ensure the project is delivered within budget allocated, in time, without any incident. I'm managing the day-to-day business with the project team and the project stakeholders, the partners, the contractors, to reach these targets. The fact that it's a young, modern, dynamic company focused on the good fight, if I can say. It was something new. I was curious about the full home office position, and I just got a great feeling during interviews, so I decided to jump in. I'm happy to discover the Anglo-Saxon culture, management. This is really different from the French ones that I had before in my former positions. But what I can feel is a real commitment from everyone, the whole structure, coming from the top management to the lower levels. There is a real leadership from Australia, from France, from UK, and it's very important to know the direction the company is going on. And everyone in the company is accessible and open, and that's something which is really great here in Leilac. But if I have to select one favorite part of the project based on my past experiences, I would say that I can't wait to start the construction phase, to watch our tower being erected from the ground. You see what you are designing, and that's a great part. I would say that I can feel the trust of my management, and that's really important. For example, regarding working hours, we are all working remotely. I'm very grateful for that. We feel, let's say, free and able to face all difficulties at work and at home because we have this trust which is set up. Well, honestly, fantastic. Really solution-oriented and dedicated, respectful, dynamic, positive. We are all working remotely, but we can feel a real close relationship being created. And all these ingredients are key to success, to my mind. I try to learn from everyone I meet and to adapt whatever I feel great to my behavior. Absolutely. It was my first position right after my graduation, and even if I had different positions afterwards, I was always coming back to the project management because that's what I like, dealing with people. It's never the same difficulties, so it's really thriving, yeah.